Assalamualaikum and good morning, my student.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Fine too, thanks. Well, before we start our lesson today, let's prepare our class. Peter, can you help me to
Yes, sir.
lead the class, please?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, my friends. Let's pray together before we are going to start our teaching learning process. Berdoa selesai.
Okay, student. Is there any absent today, Ojia? Secretary?
No one absent, sir.
Okay, good. I'm so happy for today because all of you getting well. Although we are fasting now and still in COVID condition, but we must always happy and have a big spirit to learn English. And don't forget to always use your mask when you are going to outside. Keep your distance with other people and always wash your hand wherever you are. Yeah, always keep your healthy, student. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, well, student, before we continue our topic, did you still remember about our topic last week?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is it?
Sir.
Recon
Recon
text.
text, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. Yeah, right. Recon text. But now we have a new topic for our lesson today. Okay, look at the picture. Can you see the picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it?
Descriptive text.
Descriptive
Good.
text.
Descriptive text. Okay, now we continue to the next slide. I want to ask you one by one. What words come to your mind after you see the picture? Seprida?
Lake.
Yeah, Danau.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Sarah?
Yes, sir. Gambar yang kedua ya, sir.
Okay, you can. Ya, boleh.
Dragon, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, now Peter.
Oh, yang saya lihat, sir, itu dekat air-air itu ada kayak pulau island.
Okay,
Island, sir.
that's right. Ya, pulau ya, island. Okay, Sri Puji.
The first picture, beautiful view, sir.
Okay, very
The first
good.
picture, beautiful view, sir.
Good, yeah. Nah, tadi kamu sudah menyebutkan beberapa kata untuk menggambarkan atau mendeskripsikan tempat tadi nih ya. Nah, kalau mendeskripsikan dalam bahasa Inggris disebut apa? Describe. Oke.
Hampir mirip, sir.
Very good.
Describe.
Ya, describe. Now, I want to ask you, kalau kita deskripsikan sesuatu tetapi dalam bentuk teks, disebut apakah itu?
Deskriptif, sir.
Deskriptif
Teks itu biasanya, sir.
Ya, jadi kalau dia berbentuk teks namanya deskriptif teks. Wow, you are amazing. Yeah, yes. Okay, that is our topic for today. Jadi inilah topik kita hari ini ya, mengenai descriptive text. So, according to you, what is descriptive text? No one can answer? Okay. If like that, I'll show you the definition of descriptive text. Look at the next slide. Yeah, descriptive text is meaningful text that describe and reveal particular place, thing, person, and animal. Jadi, descriptive text ini adalah teks yang penuh makna, yang bermakna, yang menjelaskan atau menggambarkan dan mengungkapkan tempat khusus, benda khusus, orang istimewa, dan hewan yang istimewa. Ya, itulah dia mendeskripsikan sesuatu dia, menggambarkan sesuatu. Ya, itulah dia pengertian dari descriptive text. Tapi hari ini kita akan membahas tentang place aja. Dan salah satu yang termasuk place itu adalah tempat wisata. Dalam bahasa Inggris disebut tourist spot. Apa anak-anak?
Tourist spot.
Tourist
Spot.
Tourist spot. Oke, sudah paham sampai sini pengertiannya? Finish, yes?
Ini
Now,
sir.
I
Yes,
want
sir.
you look the example of descriptive text. Ya. Inilah dia contoh descriptive text about tourist spot, tentang tempat wisata. Oke. What is the text about? Tentang apa teks ini?
Komodo Island,
Komodo
sir.
Island.
Komodo
Oke,
Island.
yes.
Itu
Right.
ada di kalimatnya, sir.
Island, ya.
Kolom Komodo Island.
Komodo Island.
Yeah, this text is about Komodo Island. Now you read the text silently for 5 minutes and write some word that you don't understand the meaning. Finish? Okay. Now I'm sure.
Finish, sir.
Finish, sir.
Okay,
Finish,
okay.
sir.
Now I am sure you have understood the content of the text, right? Sudah tahu isinya kan?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, answer
Yes,
this
sir.
question. Coba jawab pertanyaan ini. What is the purpose of the text? Tujuan dibuat teks ini apa? Nah, untuk menjawab, to answer this question, you have to look the text again. Ya, lihat lagi teksnya. Ya, tadi kan kamu sudah baca dan sudah tahu isi teksnya kan? Nah, sekarang siapa yang bisa menjawab tujuan dibuatnya teks ini apa? Anyone here know?
Saya sir mau coba sir.
Ya, Rohani.
According to me, to describe about Komodo Island sir.
Okay, very good, Rohani. Okay, any else?
Yes, sir. Saya, sir.
Ya. Sepida.
To give information about Komodo Island, sir.
Yes, good. Okay, Sepida. I think that's all. Now, let's check the purpose of the text in the next slide. Ya. Nah, jadi tujuan dibuat teks tersebut sama dengan social function. Nah, social function dari teks ini dia ya. Sudah paham sampai di sini?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sudah, sir.
Now let's continue to generic structure of the descriptive text. Jadi generic structure dari descriptive text ini ada dua, ya. The first, identification. Okay, the second, description. Nah, itulah yang dijelaskan di description. Now, take a look the text again. Lihat lagi teksnya. Where we can find identification in the text. Fauzia, can you answer?
Yes, sir. In paragraf pertama ya, sir.
Yes, very good. Identification itu di paragraf 1 ya. Kemudian, where we can find description in the text. Peter, can you answer? Peter,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ya.
Itu kalau saya lihat, sir, itu di paragraf di bawahnya, sir, 2 dan 3. Paragraf 2 and 3.
Ya, very good, Peter ya. Oke, Peter, how do you know paragraph 2 and 3 is description? How do you know it?
Because the paragraph 2 and 3 describe about condition and also characteristic and activities we can do at the pleasure. Itu, sir, kalau saya baca.
Yes, that's right. Good job, Peter. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Now let's continue to the next slide. Okay. sekarang ini untuk mempertajam pemahaman kalian, please do this individual task in Google Form. Oke, klik the link below. Jadi ini ada link Google Form yang saya kirim ke WA kalian. Coba cek, kemudian klik linknya tadi dan kerjakan. I give you 10 minutes to answer the task in Google Form. Oke? Do it now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Finish?
Yes, sir.
Finish? Okay.
Okay, finish.
Okay, finish, sir. Finish.
I'll check
I
your
have
answer.
answer.
Wait a minute. Wow, there are 3 students that get 100 points. Congratulations, Peter, Sarah, and Fauzia.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now I give you task in group. Ya. Saya akan membagi menjadi 3 kelompok, ya. Peter, Sarah, and Fauzia sebagai pemimpinnya, ya.
Okay, sir.
Oke.
Okay,
Kemudian
sir.
any question until here?
Yes, sir. Mau nanya, sir.
Ya, Fauzia.
Sir, tempat wisatanya itu kami sendiri yang pilih atau gimana ya, sir?
Ya, kalian sendiri yang pilih ya. Nah, sekarang now you decide what tourist spot you want to discuss. Okay? Okay, every group has decided the tourist spot that want to discuss. Now I give you 20 minutes to discuss our task, ya.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
ya.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, student. Do it now. Kerjakanlah sekarang. Ada kesulitan? Ada kesulitan dalam mengerjakan ini diskusinya?
Tidak,
Ada.
sir.
No, sir.
Ada.
No.
Okay, student, because our time is running out, almost over, yeah. So the presentation will be present in the next meeting. Yeah, before we close our study, who can conclude the topic that we had learned? Who can conclude?
Yes, I'm sir.
Yeah, you see. Please conclude our topic for today.
Okay, sir. First of all, I would like to thanks to Sir Fadli that has given me a chance to conclude our topic for today. Our topic today is about descriptive text. This descriptive text relates to tourist spot. Descriptive text is a meaningful text that describes and reveals particular place, things, person, and animal. Meanwhile, the social function is to boost, sell, promote, introduce, identify, criticize, and etc. And to give information about a particular place by describing its condition, characteristics, activities, and etc. There are 2 points in the generic structure. Yang pertama identification dan yang kedua description. Terus yang ketiga disebut dengan language features. Terus ada beberapa language features yang digunakan dalam teks ini. Saya rasa itu kesimpulan menurut saya.
Okay, excellent. Good job, Yusi. Ya, jadi
Thank you, sir.
Jadi apa yang sudah Yusi sampaikan itu benar sekali, anak-anak. Ya, saya harap.
Tepuk tangan lah
Tepuk tangan
kawan-kawan.
dulu, give applause.
Great, you see, great.
Ya,
Namanya
saya harap kalian
namanya Pak juara 1 juga kan teman kami itu juara 1 itu.
Iya, benar sekali, Giawa, ya. Oke.
Ya.
Jadi Saya harap kalian semua bisa menyerap ilmu yang saya sampaikan tentang topik hari ini. And don't forget to do your homework at home. Okay, student, thanks for your attention. Good
Okay,
morning,
sir.
good
Okay,
afternoon,
sir.
and see you next meeting. Bye.
See you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.